to Fabric Monday. Today we'll talk about using visual queries with Power Query. What is this exactly? First, it's important to remind some basic concepts. The difference between data exploration and data explanation. Data explanation is the idea that you already know an important information which is inside your data and you want to explain this information. That's where you use storytelling techniques. The intention is to explain the idea inside your data. But what if you don't know what is in your data? In this case, you are in a previous stage. In this case, you need to explore your data. And even before Fabric arrived, Power BI was increasing the features for data exploration more and more. And one of these features is the visual query. Let's remind how visual queries work and see what am I talking about in relation to Power Query with visual queries. Here I'm using a SQL Analytics endpoint. I'll create a new visual query. New query, instead of being a SQL query, I'll create a visual query. This is good for people who is not so familiar with SQL. So I'll get a table and push a table here. That's it. My table is included in the visual query. I have many fields related to sales. Some of these fields, for example, I have tax amount, total including tax, tax rate, total excluding tax, and so on. Among these fields, I have the field profit, the amount of profit in this sale, and I have the field quantity, the quantity of the product being ordered. Maybe you would like to make some calculations. For example, how much is the profit for each item? I can calculate this, calculating the profit. And the quantity, I can make a calculation for this. But the visual query has many options to combine your data, to transform your data and result in a single query. But what it doesn't have is the possibility to add a new field, add a calculated field. In manage columns, I can choose columns and remove columns. I cannot add one. But mind this button hidden here. This button allows me to open Power Query over this visual query. And then I get all the features in Power Query to build this visual query. In the Power Query window, I can choose the Add column and add a custom column. Profit by unit. Profit divided by quantity. That's it. So I used the features in Power Query to do something that it would not be possible to be done using the visual query by itself. I can save. The visual query doesn't support to add a new column directly, but the step created by Power Query appears here. The add of a custom column, and I can use this to view the SQL, the resulting SQL of this query, or even create a view with this content, as it is usually possible in visual queries. The combination of visual queries and Power Query makes a powerful combination for data exploration in Microsoft Fabric. Thank you very much for watching and see you next week.